time eating the king was caught. What did by everyone? Before and kicking. Ran a deep fumble.
Ran away.
Sandal.
He made some beautiful fun. They greeted him cheerfully. அப்புறம் என்னாச்சு? Suddenly he looked into the water. சொல்லுங்க. Suddenly he looked into the water. சொல்லுப்பா. And saw his reflection. And saw his reflection. And saw his reflection. சொல்லு. ஒன்றும் இல்லை சொல்லு. He grown. சொல்லுப்பா. He grown. சாப்பாடு. He grown. சொல்லு. He grown. சொல்லுப்பா. He grown into a beautiful swan. சொல்லு. He grown into a beautiful swan. Thank you சொல்லுங்க.
Thank you.